Here we are at our job site RV cabin. Just gonna give y'all a quick update. This was wall number 3, 2, 1, and 4. Yay! This is our bedroom. This is our closet and our washer dryer. This is our bathroom. This is our kitchen sink area. Over here is going to be the stove. Over here is going to be the entrance from the outside and the pantry. This is going to be the refrigerator. This is going to be the living room. Buck stove, I guess, might go there. Wood stove. Maybe the TV will be there. This is our garage, 2-car plus extra. Tool trailers there. The Ram 2500 is there. And down this way, back down this way, there's another little parking area back there where the RV, not the RV, where the truck and trailer will go. And then show you back over here again. We'll be pulling the camper forward, and this living room area here will have a space that there'll be a deck here in this corner, kind of a triangular deck, and then it'll go out a little towards the RV. So you step right out of the RV into that, or if we're going somewhere, we just pull out and pull back in. And there we are, a little RV cabin lot. Love you all.